Groundbreaking conservation work has given the North American public the first ever opportunity to lay their eyes upon the world's most rare insect species. News.com has learned that these efforts are also building a foundation for future plans to re-establish wild populations of the critically endangered species. The Lord Howe Island stick insect, also known as the tree lobster, is a large, flightless nocturnal insect native to Lord Howe Island off Australia's southeast coast. Juveniles have bright green bodies that turn black as they mature, and adults can grow up to 6 inches long. The stick insects are listed as critically endangered on the International Union for Conservation of Nature Red List of Threatened Species, also known as the Yukon Red List. Nonprofit conservation group the San Diego Zoo Wildlife Alliance in California has spearheaded efforts to preserve the rarest insect on the planet, collaborating with the Melbourne Zoo for more than a decade, the organization said in a recent press release. The San Diego Zoo collected eggs from Australia and carefully reared them with controlled temperature, humidity and UV transmissible skylights, the wildlife group said. Visitors to the Wildlife Explorers Base Camp at the zoo can now view the insect within its specialized habitat, which uses a reverse light cycle to allow daytime viewing under red light, simulating the insect's active nocturnal period. Paige Howarth, Director of Invertebrate Care and Conservation at the Wildlife Alliance, said bringing our guests close to this rare and iconic species is a great way to raise awareness for the lesser-known animals that run the world. Invertebrates play a vital role in ecosystems through pollination, decomposition, predation, and simply as food for other animals. Invertebrates make life possible for us all, Howarth said. The conservation efforts aim to bolster the population of the insects and support plans for reintroducing them to their native habitat. The species was thought to have become extinct around 1920 due to invasive rats on Lord Howe Island, but a few of the insects were found in 2001 on Ball's Pyramid, a rocky outcrop about 15 miles away, according to the Yukon Red List page for the species. The insects now only exist in the wild in an area covering less than a square mile with a population of about 35 individuals. The invasive rats have also wreaked havoc on a slew of other species on the island, and a massive effort to remove them, the Lord Howe Island Rodent Eradication Project, has been underway since 2019, contributing to what is described as an ecological renaissance on the island.